Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connections right away. Following that, tap on Printing. Select the default print service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different printing service, tap on the blue switcher next to the default one. Go back. Select Add Service and download the best one for your printer. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!